Welcome to online training and testing schemes in wine education. We are in the section of advanced sensory evaluation and wine testing. We talk about wine aromas. Development of grape aromas are recognized as varietal aromas. During ripening, the chemical variation of aromatic compounds depends on the type of compost under study. For example, terpenes, neurocyprinoides, methoxypyrazines. Varietal aromas of wine come from terpenes, especially in muscat flavored varieties. We have terpenes odorless precursors or free that are responsible of the varietal aromas of wine. The neurocyprinoids, especially beta-damascenone, it's a complex odor of flowers, exotic fruits, apple compote, and we can find this type of aroma in Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc. The methoxypyrazines, we can find this type of aroma in Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, Merlot, Straminer, Chardonnay, Riesling. And it's something like green pepper, pea, and potatoes. The fermentative bouquet depends on yeast strain used, fermentation condition, temperature, available nutrients, etc. The metabolism of yeast leads to the formation of many compounds involved in the aroma and chemical or enzymatic reactions. We can divide bouquet in the type of wine. For example, white wines, young white wines, we can find white and yellow flowers and white fruits. Ripe bouquet of white and yellow flowers, white fruit jam, exotic fruit, dry fruit, spices. Red wine, young, we can find red flowers, red fruit, ripe, red flowers bouquet, red fruit ham, dry fruits, spices. So when the wine ripe, we can find maturated bouquet. Thank you.